Okay, so good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to discuss the derivatives of transcendental function in calculus. So first, this is the derivatives of trigonometric function. So in our sine x, we have derivatives of sine x, we have cosine x, the derivative of cosine x, we have negative sine x, the derivatives of tan x, we have the secant squared x, and also derivatives of cosecant x is negative cosecant x, and cot x, cotangent x, we have the derivatives of secant x, also secant x tan x, and we have the cotangent x is equal to negative cos secant squared x. So this is the trigonometric function derivatives, or derivatives of trigonometric function. So it is very important to familiarize or memorize these derivatives of trigonometric function to apply in our given in our problem. So let's proceed. Okay, let's say example number 1. So in our example number 1, we have y is equal to sine 3x cosine 5x. So first, since we have the value of, or we have the 3 here, okay, so we use the product rule. So we have sine 3x, and also in our product rule we have a b prime plus b a prime. So in our a, copy the a, sine 3x times the derivatives of, which is the b prime, or derivatives of our b, the value of b, which is the cosine 5x. So the derivatives of cosine 5x, we have the negative sine 5x. By using our chain rule, we have the times 5 by using our chain rule. So plus cosine 5x, and also the derivatives of our a, we have cosine 3x, or times 3. So in final answer, we have 5 times negative sine 5x, we have negative 5 sine 5x and sine 3x, plus 3, this one, we multiply it inside of the parenthesis. So we have 3 cosine 3x, copy this one, cosine 5x. So this is the final answer of our example number 1. Take note that this solution we just following the rules, or the trigonometric rules. So that's why it is very important, or it is necessarily to familiarize or memorize the following rules. Okay, we have the example number 2. So in our example number 2, we have y is equal to 4x plus 3 over cosine 2x. So in this example, we use in our derivatives rules, or differentiation rules, we have the quotient rule. So in our quotient rule, g, so assuming that this one is f, and also this one is g, or our numerator is f and our denominator is g. So in our quotient rule, we have this g, g times f prime minus f times g prime over g squared. Okay, so we have copy the g, we have cosine 2x, and the derivatives of f or the f prime, we have 4 minus 4x plus 3, which is our f, and also times the value of g or the g prime or derivatives of g. So in our denominator or in cosine squared, as what the rules that g is g squared. So we have, by simplifying, we have 4 times cosine 2x, we have 4 cosine 2x minus copy the 4x plus 3, and also in this um, um, in this problem, we just multiply inside the parenthesis. So we have negative 2 sine 2x over cosine squared 2x. So this is the final answer of the example number 2. So thanks for watching. That's all for today's video.